I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin-level access and that you can reach the Fortigate console. This avoids surprises. Once done, verify the backup file is the correct image and matches size or checksum so you don't restore a corrupted config. Make sure maintenance and rollback windows are set and that you have console or out-of-band access ready. This ensures you can recover if network access drops. Now open the GUI or SSH session and prepare to upload the backup. You'll now upload and apply the configuration using the path that fits your setup. If using GUI, go to System Dashboard and choose Restore. If CLI, transfer the file via scp/ftp/tftp, then run execute restore config location file name. Pay attention to prompts about preserving interface mappings and admin accounts because choices here affect accessibility after reboot. Once the restore runs, watch the console logs for progress, and after the device reboots, you verify management IP, routes, firewall policies, NAT, and HA status to confirm services are running as expected. If something's wrong and you lose network access, immediately use the console to inspect the running configuration and correct management interface settings. You can restore just specific sections if needed. Make sure to save a fresh backup after validation and document the steps you took. A key troubleshooting tip: if the restore fails, re-verify file integrity and try a restore from an alternate known good backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.